Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest and this is a quick little intro to the playlist. With this platform I have a unique opportunity where people just offer me stuff. So I've been accepting a lot of scan tools that companies have been offering me in exchange for just featuring them in a video. I've been doing this for the last year or so as my channel's been growing. So thanks so much to everybody who subscribed. And I've got a bunch of scan tools saved up. There's some scan tools that I've used and had that I've given to other people in need. Mostly family members. So we're gonna look at these scan tools. I'll talk about the ones that I don't have and show you some clips of me using them and some of the features. But basically there's been a lot of people who are interested in starting their own mechanic business on the side or as a sustainable business, and they've asked me about my opinion on scan tools. So this is a playlist I'm compiling as a reference for those because there's not a good reference for comparing scan tools on the internet anywhere. So check out the link to my website down below. You can find a scan tool comparison there. I'll write everything out, pros and cons for each one, and compare them for value and for what you're using them for. And by the time this playlist is organized, at the top will be my favorite scan tool, and the descriptions will be pretty detailed, telling you which one you're probably most interested in. And then in the video, you'll get some comparisons that you can check out other scan tools as well. I'll have links in the description. So thanks for watching. I don't make any money on any of these products, on any of the sales. I'm just providing a reference for you. I haven't been paid to introduce any of these tools to you. Any of them. I have not accepted any money for any of them, but I have accepted some of the scan tools for free. So there's the disclaimer, and that's true for all of these scan tools. I have not been paid for any of them, and I won't make any money on any of the sales. Hopefully you have good success with your business, or if you're just looking for a scan tool, hopefully this helps. That's a job well done.